My bike is already packed, guys. Okay. So, second bike is down. Such a beautiful sight. We're almost close to Valparai. Look at the fog, guys. So cool. No, it's 10%. Look at this view. Oh, wow. And there's a... Is a hotel, bro? Good morning, guys. Today is the last day of the Valparai trip. It was a great ride and we are all set and ready. Everything is packed. Almost, yeah. My bike is already packed, guys. The time is now 8 o'clock sharp. We planned to start at 7 o'clock, but it's okay. I have to wear my gears all ready. So, see you guys with the helmet. Okay, the first bike is getting down. Oh, next is mine. Okay. So, second bike is down. Started the ride. We're going to click a quick picture near the Chennai Dam and then head to Valparai, fill our petrol, fuels. There's only 2 points. I think we should go till Valparai. It's about 25 to 30 kilometers from here. So, yeah, how beautiful the dam is, no? Just take a view. Wow, great. Such a big dam. At this altitude. So guys, see what a view it is. Oh my god. So this is where the water flows when the dam is open. And look at the dam, how huge. Such a beautiful sight. Okay guys, we have started from the Chennai Dam. One hell of a trip here. Actually, while coming back, we came in the night while coming up the hills. But right now, there'll be a beautiful view on the way back. So this is the Chennai Dam.
And the crew, move, alright, I make me tell them listen, move, we a dance to the rhythm and the groove, move, watch them at the bang crew, them a move, so we chop it, so we do it, this a rhythm I lock down the street, so we chop it, so we do it, this a when you come feel lock down the street, alright, so we chop it, so we do it, land down and we a lock down the street, so we chop it, so we do it, this a when you come feel lock down the street.
We're almost close to Valparai. 5 kilometers. Once we reach Valparai, we will fill fuel, then set out to Salem for lunch.
All I'm full of go play back again, and everybody say yeah. All I'm full of go play back again. See them tapping up the big tune. All I'm full of go play back again, and everybody say yeah. All I'm full of go play back again. See them tapping up the big tune. All I'm full of go play back again, and everybody say yeah. All I'm full of go play back again.
This is the bus stand. So we reach the fuel station. We will fill the fuel, then we'll leave from here. Not going to stop for anything. Okay. So we're done fueling our tanks. So we'll not take any other stops. Look at the fog, guys.
Street, so we chop it, so we do it. This is when you come feel like down the street, alright, so we chop it, so we do it. Down down and we a lock down the street, so we chop it, so we do it. This is when you come feel like down the street. All I'm full of, we go play back again, and everybody say yeah, 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 yeah. All I'm full of, we go play back again. See them tackle up the big room, all I'm full of, we go play back again, and everybody say yeah, 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 yeah. All I'm full of, we go play back again. See them tackle up the big room, all I'm full of, we go play back again, and everybody say yeah, 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 yeah. All I'm full of, we go play back again. See them tackle up the big room, all I'm full of, we go play back again, and everybody say yeah, 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 yeah. All I'm full of, we go play back again.
So cool. No, it's 10% visibility. While coming up, this is where we took a stop. If you remember in the night. But we're not going to stop here now because we're happened then. We have 15 more to go. Look at this view. Oh, wow. And there's 12 more to go. Happened then. Hi. Hello. Look at this amazing view. So we missed this view because we came in the night while climbing up the hill. I think that's the Alayar Dam. Look at the road. 4 more to go. 3 more, guys. This is the checkpost that we came to. We have come out of the Valparai district. Okay guys, we took a short break near the Alayar Dam and now we are riding and we're gonna stop for lunch only. It's about 120 kilometers from here, so probably like 1.5 hours, 2 hours we can reach. 2 hours actually. People are bathing here. Alayar Dam, the one we saw from the above. Look guys, full of coconut trees here. See, everywhere you have coconut trees. We have some confusion in the routes, so I just wanted to confirm once with the locals here. இதான ஹோட்டலா ப்ரோ?
ஆமா அதான்.